Today I'm going to complete the installation of my amateur radio in my Jeep. I've recently picked up this magnetic mic mount. Here you'll see the part of the mic mount that screws onto the dash. Screws are included with it, both machine screws and plastic screws. Once that's connected, this attaches onto the microphone. It's got a little set screw in there, and as it comes near the mount, it magnetically attaches. One of the questions I had is, it comes with this little tiny spring here that I didn't know what that was for, but I understand some microphones need to be grounded, and in that case you actually ground the mount, and that little spring goes underneath the set screw in here, completing that ground circuit. They also include a little template here that you'll affix to the dash to set your drill points, and it comes even with a Allen key to finalize the installation. Take care.